My name is Janie. Janie. This is my son. What's your name?
E-L-I-J-A-H.
Very good. What's your name, son?
Elijah.
Elijah. Very good. Today we're going to do a science experiment. Rain cloud in a jar. Three things. First, a jar with 3/4 full of water. It can be a small jar, it can be a big jar. Doesn't matter. Second, shaving cream. We have gel shaving cream. Through a lot of trial and error, we found it's best if you whisk it and whisk until it's fluffy. If you have shaving cream that's already fluffy when you perfect. Third, food coloring. You have gel, like I do. You mix it with a little bit of water and you eyedropper. If you have the liquid food coloring, you're ready. Okay, are you ready to start?
Yes, I'm ready to start. Are you ready to start? Are you ready to start?
Okay, so first we're gonna add the rain cloud. I will first, and then you, okay?
It's a big one, Mama.
Make sure your rain cloud touches the water. Okay, drip. Okay, go ahead. Nice thick.
That sounds a bit cloud.
Right. Okay, so next we're gonna add food coloring. Eyedropper. A few drops at a time. Okay. See when the rain comes down. All around. Okay. Look it. Whoa.
It's coming down. Do you see? Doing down. Wanna. It's not a storm this time.
Not a storm. No, we had a storm through some of our trial and error. This is more like a what?
Like a sprinkle.
Sprinkle. Very good. Okay. Hope you had fun watching. Now, I hope you will try. Show us your colors. Okay? Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.